Fixing order total issues on Shopify. Hello viewers, today we're going to learn how to fix your order total when it's changed, reviewed and try again on Shopify. So let's get started. First, clear your browser cache or open an incognito or private window, then try checkout again. If you applied a discount code, remove it and reapply. The other option is refresh the cart and check if any product prices were updated recently. In your Shopify admin, go to settings and here select taxes and duties and review. Any new tax rules added, whether automatic tax calculation is enabled, try turning it off temporarily. If you're using applications for currency conversion, discounts or checkout customization, disable them for a moment and test the checkout. If checkout use a third-party payment providers like PayPal or Stripe, check their status to make sure the issue is not on their end. And that's all. That's how you will be able to fix total order issues on Shopify.